Hello and welcome to this session on performing ignition timing check, spark plug inspection and replacement, identify and test Hall effect and optical sensors, trace and test sensor circuits. By the end of this exercise, you will be able to understand the process of inspecting distributor-less ignition timing, learn how to set ignition timing in an electronic distribution ignition system, demonstrate the proper procedure for removing, cleaning and inspecting spark plugs, gain proficiency in adjusting spark plug gaps for optimal performance.
Tools and equipments required: Trainees Toolkit, Timing Light, Spark Plug Spanner 1, a motor vehicle with distributor-less ignition, multi-scan tool, spark plug tester, air compressor. Materials required: emery paper as required, cleaning solvent as required, cotton waste as required. Inspecting distributor-less ignition timing is a crucial step in maintaining optimal engine performance. Before starting the engine, connect the negative and positive battery leads of the timing light directly to the battery terminals. Ensure a secure connection for accurate readings during the timing light operation. Connect the inductive pickup lead to the number 1 spark plug wire. The exact position on the wire is not crucial for accurate measurement, but it should fit between the gaps in the jaws of the pickup. Avoid pinching the wire between the ends of the pickup's jaw to maintain a free and unobstructed flow. The freedom of the spark plug wire is essential for the proper functionality of the timing light. These steps establish the groundwork for using the timing light effectively, promoting precise ignition timing measurements. Following these precautions ensures a seamless and reliable diagnostic or adjustment process when working on your vehicle's ignition system. Setting the ignition timing in an electronic distributor ignition system is a critical procedure for ensuring optimal engine performance. The process involves several systematic steps to accurately align the ignition timing, promoting efficient combustion within the engine cylinder. Direct the timing gun towards the timing tab on the engine. Verify the correct connection of the timing light by observing a flashing light illuminates from it. Some timing lights may require you to press a button or depress a trigger to initiate the light display. When triggered by the spark from the number 1 cylinder, the timing light flashes, illuminating the mark on the balancer. This illuminated mark is shown in relation to the timing marks present on the timing tab. However, as most engines typically demand a certain degree of advancement, you are likely to observe a timing mark positioned near the 10 degrees before the top dead center. The flashing light from the timing light provides a visual reference for the precise timing, aiding in adjustments and ensuring optimal engine performance. Pay attention to the alignment between the balancer's mark and the timing tab marks to determine the current ignition timing setting. This process is integral to achieving the desired performance and efficiency of the engine. The process of removing, cleaning, inspecting, adjusting, and installing spark plugs is a crucial maintenance task to ensure proper engine performance. To start the procedure, the air cleaner assembly should be removed to assess the spark plug. High tension leads are disconnected from the spark plug, and the ignition coil assembly may be removed if necessary. Loosening the spark plugs, air blowing around them helps prevent foreign particles from entering the cylinders during removal. The spark plugs are then taken out from the engine cylinder. The next step involves checking the spark plugs using a standard spark plug tester. The first step in this process is to check the spark plug for carbon deposition, cracks and damage. After inspection, the spark plugs are cleaned with a spark plug cleaning machine. Any wear or insulator damage is carefully examined. Following the cleaning and inspection, the spark plug gap is checked with a spark plug gauge. Adjustment is made according to the manufacturer's specification to ensure the proper spark plug gap. To check the ignition spark, the ignition coil is connected to the engine and high tension leads are reconnected to the spark plug. The plug is grounded, the engine is cranked, and the ignition spark is visually inspected. If there is no spark, then replace the spark plug. Finally, install the spark plug to the engine and also install the ignition coil.
Let's recap this topic. In this topic, you have learned that if the ignition timing deviates from the specified range, proceed with a thorough examination of components such as the crankshaft position sensor, camshaft position sensor, throttle position sensor, and knock sensor. If any of these sensors are found to be faulty, replacement is necessary. The process of removing, cleaning, inspecting, adjusting and installing spark plugs is a crucial maintenance task to ensure proper engine performance.